Welcome back to the Facebook Marketing Software YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of mass sharing posts on Instagram, a powerful method to promote and introduce your products to the right target audience. Step 1. Log in to MKT Insta. Once logged in, you'll need usernames to share your posts with. You can share posts by username, your followers, users you are following. To extract usernames, simply enter the Instagram account link you want to scan, set the desired quantity, and start the process. Step 2. Copy and paste the usernames. Once the scanning is complete, copy the extracted usernames and paste them into the appropriate link field. Step 3. Insert post links. Copy the link of the post you want to share and paste it into the designated field. If you have multiple posts, ensure that each link is placed on a separate line. Step 4. Load accounts and start. Finally, load the accounts and hit start to begin sharing your posts. If you find this helpful, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.